Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yes, you know, at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we have an introduction to every video. And the introduction has stated carefully, and we have said it in so many ways, that we don't want any criminal organization supporters over here. And when we say criminal organization supporters, it doesn't confine us to people who support the PNP criminal organization. It has to do with people's mind. If you support criminality, we don't want you over here. Yes, we want people who support the law enforcement officers in Jamaica and around the world. We don't want to if nor buts. When police wrong, them wrong. When them right, them right. But we don't want to promoters of criminality or people who are anti-police or anti-law enforcement over here. When we say we are talking not only the YouTube channel, but in the WhatsApp group. Once you come in with our WhatsApp group and support criminality, you're out and we are black you. We don't want you. We don't want you in our midst. And we said that already and we'll say it again. What's in that you guys don't understand? Now you have this man who's from Portland. And hey, look here. Them say every dog have them 4 o'clock, you know. We just can't wait for him 4 o'clock. Yes. We know this in Jamaica, you know. The best way for you to become popular, you know, is to be an anti-police proponent. Yeah, you have to be an anti-police proponent. Yeah, you understand? You have to be. Once you hate the police, you become popular among the people. We are telling that. Yeah, so moving on. So in Jamaica, the quickest route to popularity and celebrity status appears to be by opposing the police force and supporting illegal activities. That's how it is. That's how Jamaican for Justice, Dr. Caroline Gomes, and the like, Michael Jackson. That's how these people attain celebrity status and become wealthy. In Jamaica, crime pays in Jamaica. You know, as for years truly as a law-abiding citizen and someone who support the rule of law, no, I am not seen as a celebrity. I am seen as an informer and somebody who's supposed to be killed because I am trying to change the trajectory of the Jamaican population. So by doing that, I keep gaining enemies more than friends. That's how it is. So many celebrate individuals who antagonize the police, such as a man from Portland who has gained YouTube fame for harassing Jamaican police officers. Yes, anything that is negative and anything that is against the rule of law, Jamaican people in the midst. Them always there, hear them. So this man, them celebrate him, and them stop sharing video and big him up and all of these things. So being a police hater will propel you to the top. I just saw it going to Jamaica. However, suppose you support socially acceptable behavior and the rule of law. In that case, you are seen as a fool. Yeah, that's how it is in Jamaica. If you are somebody who have, you know, socially acceptable behavior, them see you as, yeah, foreigner, you're a foreigner. Your behavior is foreign. Yeah, because you're supposed to be loud, outlandish, obnoxious, belligerent, and you're supposed to be ready to kill anything. Because in Jamaica, The only person life that have any value is the one that take the other person life. Yeah. The killer, only the killer's life in Jamaica have value. Yeah, the person with that, no, you're a loser. Yeah, you're a sucker. Yeah, I just saw it go. And the killer now put on a pedestal because he celebrated, lauded and revered now for his actions. So remember, in Jamaica, if you support the rule of law, you are seen as a fool. Especially if you have never been to jail or have any family members who are known killers. Nobody has no respect for you. Oh, you can't chat to me. You have nobody who kill nobody. I saw it in Jamaica. What you mean? Yeah. So like I said, people in Jamaica who have no family member who involved in a crime and kill people. People don't want nothing to do with your family because are seen as a dummy. Not kill people, not for your family, not make duppy. I don't know what that does to people, but only thing it does is give them temporary celebration for them to celebrate the demise of another human being. So them have little or no regards to people's life. Only their lives matter, and only them and their family have human rights. So to Mr. Dunn, yeah man, Mr. Dunn, a man in Portland. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel have a message, yeah man, for you. We hope that one day, when you are stopped by individuals you believe to be police officers, they turn out not to be. Yes, and we say that as something that hopefully it will happen sooner and not later. So when that day comes, rest assured, Mr. Dunn, there will be no sympathy, empathy or compassion from us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. It is just outcome for someone who has made a name for undermining the efforts of our dedicated police officers. If you have nothing to hide, you don't harass the police and antagonize them. That's why I love when you people come to America and the police send on the street to the departure lounge. Yes, when you're aggressive, obnoxious and belligerent behavior, walk around and harass the police and antagonize them. Come to America with it and see how far you reach. But when you come to America, as you reach at the airport for the entire America, nothing well behaved, so like, that's why we love when you come to America and you misbehave and them sending you to the departure lounge. You don't get no sympathy from us for that. So let us be clear. Glorifying criminal behavior and oppressing those who uphold the law only erodes our social society's fabric. So what you do, you erode the law and erode our society fabric. That's what you are doing, Mr. Dunn, and this carousing that that you're going to hear later. So it's time to recognize and support the vital role of our police force in maintaining peace and order in Jamaica. So to all members of the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we must acknowledge that supporting criminal activities has that detrimental effect on our community. We are dedicated to upholding the rule of law and helping the police officers who work tirelessly to keep Jamaica safe. So if your actions do not align with these principles, we kindly ask you to leave the group. So if you are like this man, this man that you're going to hear, that we kick him out of the group. If you are like this man, just leave the group. We have to kick you out because we don't like criminals. We no business what political party you support. We not like criminals. That's what we say. Yes, but we know the party who is the main proponent of the criminality in Jamaica. The one that have the most garrison them in the Kingston metropolitan area. The one have the most leeches and parasites in Jamaica. The one that have the one them when like work. Was socialistic, beggy, licky, wanga got. Them dunce like bat them sit down on the back of the class. We know say them people there. And them come from our community. So recognizing that supporting criminal organizations undermines efforts to maintain order and justice in our society is essential. So recently, we have seen individuals including Vibes Kartel supporters using sophisticated terms like judiciary without truly understanding their implications. Such misuse of language only serves to confuse and mislead others about the true nature of justice and law enforcement in Jamaica. So let us support the rule of law and the dedicated police officers who strive to protect our communities. This group is only for those who share these values. So if you don't support the rule of law or the police officer in Jamaica, just leave it Jamaica young police and we don't want you over here. I just saw it go. So we wanted to listen to this conversation with this old Corrosion and Corrobunkus from Portland. Him one of Mr. Dunn supporter, yeah man, for harass the police. So you're going to hear that video later on because boy right now amount of things with Vibes Cartel and all this and the PMP criminal organization supporter in an uproar because he's been released and hey, and some of them supporters can get to celebrate. So you're going to hear even about that too, you understand? So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Cause I'm sure no so one time where let me ask you, how old are you?
41.
Yeah, 41. Alright, before we even go further, let me ask you, so how you feel about the Vibes Cartel case? Your honest opinion.
The honest opinion?
Yes man, then let me ask you, you know how you tell a lie.
Vibes Cartel should never have come out of jail.
Okay.
But the reality behind it is that the judiciary has not done a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are a lot of tampering and knew what was happening.
There's a lot of what?
There was a lot of tampering with the case.
Who tampered with the case?
Police tamper with the case, jury tamper with the case.
No, okay, alright. So who are they tamper with the case and whose behalf? Whose behalf they tamper with the case? And whose behalf that the tampering went that they did? The tampering?
On both sides.
Which both? I mean both sides. What you talking about? What the crown did?
So the police have tamper with the phone.
No man, look here. The only somebody tamper with the phone was bigger phone. A bigger phone have the phone in possession. I did a video about that. I mean, yeah.
But he's still a part of the police force.
Yeah, so bigger phone him act as a criminal there because him get paid to do it.
Yeah.
Yes, you understand. Yeah. So bigger phone never tamper it on behalf of the crown. Him tamper it on behalf of Vibes Cartel. So that's on the crown. The crown ain't a tamper with the phone for the crown for the purpose of the crown.
Well, you have to look at it from this point of view.
What point of view?
If a police officer does something outside of his jurisdiction or outside of his mandate as a police officer, the JCF is going to be blamed. You understand me? So if a police officer tamper with the phone, whether it's on Vibes Cartel behalf,
yeah, but when
they're not going to look at it. They're not going to look at it as Vibes Cartel because the police tamper with the phone.
All right, but look here. But basically, from your point, you sound like a fairly intelligent person, but you have to learn to put your intelligence in perspective because if bigger phone is interfering with the phone on behalf of Vibes Cartel, how is that he's doing it on behalf of the crown? Is Vibes Cartel hold on? Is Vibes Cartel a part of the crown's case or is one of the accused? Who's Vibes Cartel in the matter?
He's one of the accused.
Hold on, man. So you come by say the crown tamper with the phone? Is that's on the crown?
So can I explain now?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So what I'm saying to you is that one, Bigger Phone was never charged for anything, okay, by the crown. So if he's not charged by the crown for tampering with the phone, that means in turn he will look as if he's acting based on the he's acting on behalf of the crown because the crown didn't charge this man. Hold
on. You are a madman. Because look here, let me tell you why you're mad. If Bigger Phone is tampering, listen, hold on. No. You're on my phone talking to me. You're telling me that I'm mad because I have an opinion. No. And the reason, listen to me. No, man. No, listen. Why I'm telling you that?
No, sir.
All right. You sound like a sane person with that argument.
Sir, you can hold your opinion, anything that you want to hold. I didn't look at you and and throw insults at you.
No. If you say no, but look here. Anything that you're saying, you must have evidence. No, listen.
I will allow you to speak.
You must have evidence to back it up on them thing there.
About
yes.
Me, sir.
Yes.
You made a statement based on my opinion. In essence, what you're saying is that my opinion is not valid. Okay?
It's simple. Yeah, of course.
You hold on. You and everybody else out on the street has an opinion, and everybody has their own opinion. Okay? Well, I am saying to you, my opinion based on how things look. If a police officer tampers with something and the judiciary does not charge this man for tampering with evidence, it simply means that there is some level of leniency by the said judiciary with this same officer. There's nothing else.
No, man.
This man
what's your saying? No, look here. I am telling you from a police perspective, because what you're saying is that it have no basis in logics. If look here, let me tell you something when you come on to exhibit. You see, when you have an exhibit, you have a thing on your chain of command. You understand? Is bigger phone was the only person who have custody of the phone. So anything that happened to the phone, when I say custody, he is the sole person. No one else have access to the phone. So when Bigger Ford was doing that, tamper with the phone, he wasn't doing it on behalf of the crown. I'll do it. Just listen what I'm saying, man. Let me explain to you.
I'm hearing what you're saying.
Listen.
I'm hearing what you're saying.
Just hold on. In time I finish, then you can interject. You can answer, man. At no time June, Bigger Ford have custody of the phone. Anyone else has access to it. So when you're saying that what happened with the phone was that they were doing it on behalf of the crown, it cannot be on behalf of the crown because it did not benefit the crown. Is making the calls to other people from the phone. It wasn't to benefit the crown, it was to benefit Vibes Cartel. So you have to just use your common sense. That's how it is. You understand?
All right, I understand. All right, listen to me.
I just look here. I just logics. Look here. Me use logics and evidence.
Hold on. You can't force me to believe something.
No. I'm not forced you to believe something. I just facts.
Opinion.
It's just like
my opinion. And I said it's your opinion. Just listen on. That's your opinion.
A facts.
Okay?
No, that is facts. A facts. Me I tell you. No opinion.
Explain to me. If you want to hold on to that, then fine. I am saying to you, if the judiciary did not I don't think it is important to penalize this senior officer who tampered with the phone, then you explain what is he doing then?
All right, look here.
You explain to me. Hold on, if this man is doing something illegal, okay, and the same judiciary that you're saying that he's not a part of. Okay.
Yes.
You're saying that he's not a part of that judiciary. No, he's not working with in agreement with the judiciary.
On behalf of the crown. Right? On behalf of the crown.
On behalf of the crown.
Yes.
Whatever it is. He's not working on behalf of the crown.
Yes.
He's working on behalf of Vibes Cartel.
On behalf of the defense.
Why is this man not fired?
The man is no longer a member. The man is no. Look here. The man is no longer a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because when all of the
fired. Just listen. Was he fired for his actions? He was never fired for his actions.
Okay, all right. Well, that
is where I'm talking about. Hold on. You put together a jury, and the jury that you put together, that the judiciary put together to penalize this man. Okay. Remember, this is now the crown. The judiciary, the jury is now acting on behalf of the crown now. And the same.
No. Repeat what I just said.
Who put together the jury? Who put together the jury? Is it Vibes Cartel who put together the jury?
So basically, that may I tell you say. So
I'm asking you a question.
You are hold on, man.
Hold on, my brother. You made a statement.
No. Look here.
Did Vibes Cartel put together a judiciary, the jury? Did he put this jury together?
The defense.
Was he a part of this jury to judge him?
Not Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel attorney that represented him.
So Vibes Cartel attorney and
and the prosecutors. And the
prosecutors. No, understand. No, let us understand this. Vybz Kartel attorney and the prosecutors work for the same entity.
Where you get that from? What entity they work for?
He's a lawyer.
No.
He's a part of the. Hold on, my brother. And don't take me for an idiot. The lawyer, Mr. Isis Buchanan, he works.
No. Hello. Isaac. Hello. Isaac. But listen, man. Isaac Buchanan was not a part of the trial in the case.
No. Hold on. And listen. Alright, fine.
Are you attack about jury right now? Isaac Buchanan.
No problem. I'm
Talking
about his legal team. His legal team is a part of the government. He's a part of the judiciary. The only thing is that he's acting as a defendant, which is a constitutional right for every person who is accused to have a defendant, to have somebody to help them defend themselves. That's a constitutional right.
Repeat that when you say every
person who is being accused by the crown has a constitutional right to defend, to have legal representation. That said legal representation is also a part of the body of judiciary.
No.
Because remember,
look here. You're using You're using words that you do not understand. Hello. You do not. No, judiciary. You're using words that you don't know the meaning. Hello. Look here. You're using words judiciary.
Part of the bar.
You do not. You use big words and you know the meaning.
Assuming that I do not understand,
of course,
sir. That is an assumption.
No, an assumption. It's a fact. Look here. Are you just saying it? Are you just saying? Are you telling me say? Are you? Look here. How old are you, man?
How old are you, sir?
How old are you?
I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, me just answer.
You realize that you don't want to answer my question. You know that you're very sinister. You are a sinister person. You know why? You asked me what my name is, and I told you what my name is.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Yes.
You will not do that.
No, man. I'm not disrespect you. Look here. Are you in the chat room? Are you in the chat room? A bash police? No, man.
I told you I'm 41 years old.
Yes, and I said that I'm older than you. I said older than you. Anyway, no, look here. No, you're not. Look here. You're not. No, look here.
Because you don't know how to have a conversation.
No, look here.
Let us have this conversation when you are ready to have a
discussion. No, man, look here. You are the one that using word. You are using word that you don't know the meaning. No, look here. I know you are answered. You cannot. No. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's why I'm kick you out. You're kind of big dummy. This man is using words that he don't even know. You know, this man jumping up using words that he don't even understand. You know, so we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, as we always said, you know, if you're not learning anything over here, you're at the wrong channel. So in Jamaica, you know, the term judiciary, that this dummy pretend like him smart and him dumb like rock. Judiciary refers to the system of courts and judges responsible for interpreting and applying the law. It now have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel lawyer. Vybz Kartel is not a Vybz Kartel. The defense lawyers now are the prosecutor and have nothing to do with the judiciary. So I pretend say him smart, you know, but him just dumb. I use big words and him not understand it. So, you know, we as a former detective and somebody who have experience in high court, even all the juror them, this dummy one to say, boy, are the crown alone select the jurors and all of these things. And dummy again, you understand? So we explain to him and educate him and tell him, say, look here, the jurors are selected by both the prosecutor and the defense, and the judge the judge play a role in it. You understand? Is that every person that is selected for the juror is accepted. Some them going to challenge and some of them going to say them don't want them. That's how it is. You understand? So, you know, so when you have a lot of people out there where you call them blow-horns and them pretend like them know everything. And this is a man who don't know nothing. Him just hate police because I'm a criminal organization supporter. Yeah, so him and Mr. Dunn in a Portland, yeah, they are the same, carousing. So you understand? We just, you know, for them 4 o'clock soon come. It's just simple as that. So as we tell you now, the judiciary is an independent branch of government, separate from the executive and legislative branch. In Jamaica now, when you talk about executive, you talk about the prime minister. Yeah, it don't really matter who in there. From the prime minister, yeah, that type of person, the executive. Then you have a legislative branch. The legislative branch are the people that pass law in Jamaica. That are people that are member of parliament and the Senate where nobody no vote for. That's why we want to have our own constitution. You understand? So that we can become a republic and do things by ourselves. But you don't know, we have a man who born in Jamaica, a foreigner, a white man, who him just turn over everything. You understand? And boy, I tell you, I just saw it go. So as we tell you already now, so the legislative branch tasked with ensuring justice is administered fairly and impartially. That don't mean to say what them do them right, because you don't know, say in Jamaica brown people bag run things. Yeah, Chief Justice Brian Lego Sykes legalize criminality in Jamaica, in the court. PMP criminal organization supporter, him say Michael Manley make him go to school free. You understand what I'm saying? We don't have a problem with that, but Michael Manley left a hole in night and all of them things there. If you send people to university and all of them things free, you must have some money for pay for it. They never have no money for pay for it, so it just cause death in the country. That's just a madness. If Michael Manley and the PMP criminal organization never destroy Jamaica, we people them could have go school free just like Barbados and Trinidad. But no. But the dumbest them don't know that and all of them things. So we are telling you, so the Jamaican judiciary include the various levels of court. So one, you have the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, this is the highest court in Jamaica, consists of the High Court Division and the Court of Appeal. The Supreme Court handles major civil and criminal cases and appeals from lower courts. So yeah, so just like the justice her name Marva McDonald Bishop, yeah, she a part of the appeal court. That she had the justice of the appeal court, the old carousing and bunkers and paper bag recipient. Or she laugh anytime she open the bag and see the United States dollars them. How you mean? Then I saw it go. You understand? Whether or not you want to believe it, it's an allegation them say. You understand? Say that that one time she open the brown paper bag, the party, you understand, and she see the and the other two judges them too. Based on information received and obtained, is that I just say them say it's allegedly that them call it them brown paper bag, you understand? And you'll hear about it. We tell you, because we let your ear listen to someone who is very, very close to Vybz Kartel. Because we had spoken to the person. And they are in Jamaica, them fly down from America and go down there and them thing there. And, you understand? So we spoke with them. And it was a call, somebody we know yours truly. I just saw it go. You understand? And come from Waterford too. So then you have two, after the Supreme Court, you have the them don't call it resident magistrate court no more. Them call it parish court. Yeah, we're not on a registered magistrate court again. So these courts are on the cases, on the less than severe criminal cases and civil matters, as well as preliminary inquiries into serious crime that may be tried in higher courts. So you see, all preliminary inquiry, they mean if you are cut out that way, people, the witness have to go to court first, and then them, the judge say, well, there's a prima facie case. No, look here, for your charge murder, you go straight to trial. I just saw it go. That English system or prima facie, that madness. You understand? I saw witnesses get killed. We know that. Get rid of that. You understand? That's how government need for do. Then three, you have petty session court. These are lower courts that deal with minor offense and small civil dispute. This is how you have now all corrosion them and the corrobunkers them. I say them are JP. Some of them are all thief. Hey, did you know that all George Pang are JP? Isaac Buchanan, the convicted drug dealer. Jamaica is the criminals' paradise. So them can't say anything, I say, boy, we anti-Jamaica, we anti-criminality. I just saw it go. But them not like that. So the judicial role is to interpret laws, resolve disputes, and protect the rights and liberties of individuals, ensuring that justice is served without bias or influence from other branches of government. So say in Jamaica, say for our judge them, say not all of them, some of them are all corrosed and them thing there. Say I just saw it go. Jamaica really gone to the dogs right now. Criminality around things in Jamaica. So we continue the journey with this because everything that this man is talking, the phone have nothing to do with the judge releasing Vybz Kartel and the others One of them still in a prison. When him Kira, yeah, him still in a prison. Cause him get sentenced and another thing. Yeah, man. So yeah, so only him alone. Him suppose him there him bar like baby. Yeah, no, you know, say you're a bad man, sir. I just saw it go, you know. Man bar like baby, sir. When Vibes Kartel and the others them walk out, left him in a prison. Him ball. What a sorry for you? If you're dead in there, yeah, boy, you're a bad man. Then bad man no cry. Bad man no cry. You understand? I just saw it go. Telling you about judiciary. The judiciary is one of three. In America, the judiciary is one of three branches of government alongside the executive branch. That means it has to do with the legislative. In Jamaica, the executive branch is the Prime Minister, and the legislative is the Member of Parliament and the Senate. So this man now I tell people, see, you understand? I use word where him not understand. Big dummy, you know. He's the one that's bashing the police and all of this. This man is dumb as a rock. You understand? So that's why I asked him where he's from. I don't know how can you have only police where a thief, you know, we're involved in a thief in car and them thing. So this man is on the Jamaica Young Police channel WhatsApp group promoting criminality and bash the police. So that's why we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you understand? That's why he's kicked out of the group, because as I said before, you know, the Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal minded people, you know. We don't want people like him over here. So that's the reason why I had kicked him out. And this man now using words that him don't even understand, talking about judiciary. Big dummy, you know. I saw it going, you know, what you call him now? Like him now, you call him I never come say. Because him feel say, you know, he might use words where he don't even understand the meaning. I said the defense is part of the the defense is not a part of the judiciary. The defense is the defense, and the judiciary has to do with the judge. You understand? And the people them and a part of the court system. The judge them will interpret them. That's how the judiciary will do. You understand? It's one of three branches of government alongside the executive and the legislative branch. Its primary function is to interpret and apply the law, ensuring justice is administered fairly and impartially. So we are getting an in-depth look at the role of and responsibility of the judiciary. So this man out there, you know, a bonfire upon the police, you know, this whole criminal organization supporter. And you understand what I'm saying? People like him now, we don't sorry for him like when he's in the news. Because he's out there promoting this anti-police behavior. I tell people, say, oh, don't support and cooperate with the police. And when that's why I love when them come to America and police stop them and them start behave bad and police send them to the departure lounge. Yes. How you mean? They don't see what happened. Several times, even for the past 3 years, about 7 Jamaicans unarmed, and police send them to the departure lounge in America, justifiable homicide. Oh, what you stop me for this, that. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, you don't you don't do that in America. In America is a police state. America is a state. America is a place where them not support criminality. You understand? So when them leave from Jamaica and come to America and feel like say they are here and them can do what them please and do what them like, when them come to America and realize now what time it is and realize it's a different world, that's how in time it's too late. Yeah, them send them my departure down. In America, police stop you. You don't argue with them and them think that you comply. But most of them in Jamaica, because it's a PMP criminal organization society where criminality is a part of the culture. And we as Jamaicans has been nurtured, cultured, socialized, and it's embedded in our Jamaican minds from 1972 till 1980 to be criminals and support criminals and everything anti-police. If you're a law-abiding citizen and the police stop you, you don't have no problem for comply. This man named Mr. Dunn, yes man, honestly, we just can't wait for him to make the news. Have a bad day. When we say a bad day, have a bad day. We don't know how, and this man, I don't know how this man in just walk. All he has been doing is antagonizing the police in Jamaica with this camera. And I hope the US Embassy, I hope the US Embassy, if you have any visa for travel or anything like that, them take it away from him, because you don't want people like him in your country, because he's a criminal organization supporter. Yeah, so we explain to this domino what judiciary, you know, the function of the judiciary, interpretation of laws. The judiciary interpret laws passed by legislative branch, which are the parliament in Jamaica and the Senate, you understand, and ensure that they are applied correctly. Just like how them take the thing to the Constitutional Court and them say, Paula Llewellyn, this Paula Llewellyn, that, and them who still await on the ruling. You understand? That is what these people interpret the law. And simple as this. The people them that took Paula Llewellyn and the government to court, even the judge must say, no, how you do that? Because the law would have really applied to her. But I saw them going to Jamaica, a criminal's paradise. It only get worse, you know. Anyhow, I am telling you, I don't care what I want to say. Anyhow, the PMP criminal organization get back the levers of power. May I tell you, say, Jamaica a straight 80. Believe, whether or not you want to believe it, you know. As Marcus Garvey did say, brother Aaron, whether or not you want to believe it, it is going to run. It will run. You understand? All of them people, all like 63 people them in a parliament are asleep, you know. Those who are smart and have them eyes on the ball, like the man named Neville, Dr. Wheatle, the man in the play card, the man know, Dr. Wheatle know that they are planning to kill him too. Yes, you understand. The Prime Minister asleep. He must sleep on the ball. Yeah, he must sleep. We see last week Friday, we see them try to take back Jamaica. Then after that, we see them get termite state funeral. On the ball blood. We not, hey, look here, we don't listen to dummies and all them things. A man contact with this and that. We don't care about what idiot want to say. We, an experienced detective. In my time as a detective, when not done dead, we don't provide no security for them. The only thing is that we might do, when them on them we got towards dove cut and them thing there, we stop and search every vehicle and we make certain so how it is set up on them thing there. Yeah, it's like them just driving at it. You understand? Yes, all in a casket we go and look for gun on them thing there. So we don't provide security for them. And the reason why we're not digressing now, this crime we are talking about, you know, the reason why we don't provide security for the people them that go to these funerals is that it's a form of deterrence. Just in case them rival come and spray the funeral, we don't care. What you mean? The people them will attend the funeral of these corrosion, for them life have zero value. Them are just so we see it. Anyway, we'll touch that subject because over the weekend we deal with that. But you move back to the judiciary. Sometimes we sidetrack and all them things because we are so passionate about crime and getting rid of criminality from the people's mind. You have some educated fools in Jamaica like that dummy. You understand what I'm saying? We feel them can't use big words and don't even know the meaning. He's trying to dominate the conversation, telling me that he wants to know my age and don't want me to explain to him what is the judiciary. So I'm hung up. Anyway, we kick him out of the group because he can't come back. Period. Full stop. You understand? Yeah, I just saw it go on them thing there. We block him. We kick him out of the Jamaica Young Police Channel group because we're not on a tolerance enough for criminals. You know? No, zero tolerance. We not promote or support criminals. Yeah, I just saw it go. For a criminal-minded person, we don't want nothing to do with it. I just saw it go. I mean, in the Jamaica Young Police Channel, if you're not a law-abiding citizen or someone who support the police force, nobody come over here. We don't want you. You understand? So you have we accept you in a Jamaica Young Police Channel as a member. If you support criminals, just come out. Because we don't unite, you know. We don't make excuse our lies. When you come talk about say boy, police this and police that, we'll play all our voice note them, you know. We don't know that, you know, we're not dummies, you know. Period. We support the police 150%. We know so we have thief in police. You have all police, it's just like all Mr. Dunn. You have thief in police, you know. Hey, you did have all police. I don't know where them know still you know, come from De La Vega. Your name Campbell, you know. Yeah, man. Hey, and them say one at a time, he used to work a stolen vehicle, you know. And them say one at a time, I can't blame thief the most scared of Jamaica, you know, one detective, you know. I just saw it go, you know. He come from Dela. You understand? I must about treat all one at a time, then they revert him and put him back in a uniform and him carry him got a coat. So it's so criminal love coat though. I don't know what I'm to him, you understand? I just saw it go on them thing there. Years me not see him, you understand? I just repeat what was being said, you know, about the man and them thing there. So we just show you how everywhere you go on them thing there in Jamaica, we have criminals everywhere, even in a police force. Not because I'm convicted of a crime, you know, mean to say I'm a criminal. So I see him thing as we are telling about, you know, Campbell. So, you know, moving on. So, as we tell this dummy and them thing there, but when it comes on to the judiciary, I use big word, you know. You know what I'm saying? May I tell you, I saw it go with dummies, you know. So, him I feel like, say, boy, yeah, him arrive and him know him thing. Dummy, him don't know nothing. Where I tell you that. Yeah. So, as we tell him again, you know, so we explain to you, you know, the function of the judiciary. And if you have listened before, as we tell you, this channel is not entertainment, you know. So, those of you, you know, I'd listened to the voice notes before. You understand? And, you know, as usual, once it's over 30 minutes, we have to go break it up, as usual. You understand? So, and if you want the full thing, you have to go to the, to Patreon. Yeah. So, I just saw it go. So, as we explain now to, you know, to this dummy and the function of the judiciary, we tell him already, say, it's interpretation of the laws, adjudication of disputes. The judiciary resolves disputes between individuals, organizations, and government entities. So this includes civil cases such as contract disputes or property issues. Anytime people sue people, and criminal cases where individuals are accused of violating laws. You understand? Then the judiciary should deal with constitutional review. Courts have the authority to review laws and government actions to ensure they comply with Constitution. If a law or action is found to be unconstitutional, the judiciary can invalidate it. So just like how the judiciary say, so it's a foreigner, you know, it's a foreigner come to Jamaica, you know, come change that, you know. Yeah, the way how Jamaica is a criminal organization, a foreigner coming to Jamaica come become judge, you know, and them not born in Jamaica, you know, them are a Jamaican national, you know, just come and become judge and extend the criminal paradise in a Jamaica and go back to their country and left it now. Then you have this little Kartel'S now when him done. All over on social media. I just harass the police them. But hey, him soon meet him Waterloo still and we just can't wait for him become the news. Yeah man, cause him now, you know, feel like saying, you know, because him feel like him have this power now, you know, because of what happening in Jamaica. Or a criminal society like Jamaica, where you're giving criminals more power. This man every day him up on the road and I look trouble from the police and them thing. We just hopefully on them thing one idea meet up on the wrong police. Look. But no longer that. Hope one of them day him meet up on some criminal were just like police. And yes. What you mean? One of them day hopefully meet up on some criminal were just like police and him behave the same way. And guess what? You know them are give him some nice con. I tell you. Pop. Straight to departure long. Cause him think say a police him a deal with. You understand? Me I talk to a man and them thing and the man tell me say some man stick him up one time and he go say boy soldier and the man say oh you say in the camp up here son I saw him get shot. Cause a gunman them say the man a soldier them a bad man. So me say don't worry man, your day is coming, you know. Your day is coming, me I tell you. And we know say it come before year end. Cause whether or not you like it, you know, me I tell you, you know, me say done. Yeah, the same man there at Portland. You have criminal out there when they like people like you, you know. Criminal like you, me I tell you have criminal like when people harass police, you know. Me I tell you, when me a detective and them thing, you know, and even a criminal they plan for arm police, same criminal, you know. No one tell we as police and them ask, are you here say all a man, them find all a man in a gully and then you hear people say boy, you know, so the boy they not plan for kill Mr. Porter or Mr. Bobby, so them no want for them. So yeah, I just saw it go. So Mr. Dunn here they come on them thing and I see him Kartel'S in here. Yeah, so we continue. So as we tell you now, the judiciary protection of rights. The judiciary plays a crucial role in protecting individual rights and freedoms. Courts can provide remedies when rights are violated and can enforce civil liberties. So you have precedent setting through their rulings. Courts establish precedents that guide future judicial decisions. This creates consistency and predictability in the application of law. So I tell this domino, the structure of the judiciary, because we are all police, you know. He might use big words and I know it, you know. Then, no, hey, the all Kartel'S, you know, we if you explain and tell him, say, no, you use words I don't know a meaning. And I pretend, oh, what's your age? Look here, dummy, until you talk to yours truly, man. And me control it. Not because you station you hang up the phone and them thing there. That not give you no power, because you're an idiot. The reason why I will station because you depend the thing. I promote criminality, that's why I will kick you out. You understand? But you know, we don't believe say you have no family member or a police. Because if you're a family member of police, you would not ask. So. We love the police. If hey, look here, anytime police stop in America, we never give police no problem. You understand what I'm saying? Period. Police come up even license registration, and we just give them. You understand? And then now from them states and get well license, say, oh, you're a veteran. So difference. So yes, sir. You understand? I'm say, all right, you're not speeding, and because you're a veteran and them thing that them cut with some slack. So we're not corrodes around here. But we want, when you come to America, if you come to America and police stop you, yeah man, you give them some argument. Yeah man, and them send it straight to departure now. Because one thing in America, police are like gods. I saw it used to go in Jamaica until the people, I tell you that, only could have bought blood until 1989. After that, before then, police were like gods when Edward Seaga Prime Minister. That's why you don't like Seaga, because you're a criminal. If you don't like Edward Seaga, you're a criminal. May I tell you that. Anybody will love Michael Manley are criminal-minded people. And tell me say I'm wrong. May I tell you that. That's why I tell you say PMP is a criminal organization. Yeah, so the structure of the judiciary varies by a country, but its general consists of several levels of courts. So you have the lower courts, you have the appeal court, you have the Supreme Court, and all of them things there. So you don't know say the appeal court like a Vibes Cartel. Yeah man, them like a Vibes Cartel, because them are corrupt, brown paper bag, them corrupt. So and after I hear people I use big words I don't even know the meaning. So this man is a real dummy. I tell you about him want to know my age. Well, you understand what I'm saying? The reason why we ask you that, because we want to know if you have any sense. Because you know no sense, because we are talking madness. But bigger phone tamper with the phone for the crown. How the crown benefit from that? See, you're a real dummy. That's why, may I tell them, know. And them people who pretend like them intelligence when them done. Him pretend like him intelligent, and him done's like bad. But I talk like, you understand? So, you know, if you're asking is a PMP criminal organization supporter, people who support the rule of law, guess where them alias lean to? Well, still, you have a sister and them thing, know, you have a sister, I call her name, but I know say fear husband was big time labor right and them man they call bad man and them thing. Because them man they used to do and them thing. Them man kill innocent people, them kill people who have gun and a shoot after them. Illegal gun and so them used to do it. You understand? And you share defend the police and them thing. But look here, we as Jamaican, if we not support the police, that means we support the criminals. So this man is a criminal organization supporter. You understand? And it's just sad. We can't support people like this man. And Mr. Dunn at Portland, we just can't wait for him 4 o'clock. Yeah man, we can't wait for Mr. Dunn 4 o'clock at Portland. Period. And we say it without no apologies. Yeah. And when him 4 o'clock come, there will be no tears for him over here. Only thing you'll get, yeah man, you'll get a nice your itinerary, and we'll make sure we give you on the flight, on the departure long flight, your seat will have nails in there or pins, so you can't sit down and have nothing. For your flight, even termite get a better flight than you can. Termite never used to harass the police. You harass the people then, but you're police antagonist. So we have to make certain same time you get a flight, Mr. Dunn, your flight have pins in it. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, young police out. Corals.